Good Saturday morning, guys. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. I think yesterday's video bit me in the butt. I'm about to show you. Some of you might already know. Yeah, this is what we got going on here. Boy, this stuff is wet and heavy. I don't know, what's that, like 2 inches, 3 inches maybe? 1 inch? I don't know. All I know, a little bit more snow than what they were expecting, or what I was expecting. And do you remember how I said I wasn't going to put the plow on the four-wheeler yesterday? Because I didn't think I needed to, because I was like, oh, it's probably not going to do anything. Well, I've got one customer that she made it out to work this morning, and she texted me and she said, when the snow's over, you know, can you stop by, do the driveway, so that way she doesn't slide down her driveway into her garage when she comes home this evening. Another customer says she might be going out to dinner with a friend tonight, and she'll let me know by noon if I need to go shovel her driveway. It's just a short little driveway, you know, single stage snowblower and a shovel will take care of that one. Those are the only two. I've let everybody else know, and I told them, just let me know if you need me. So anyways, I got to get the four-wheeler ready, plow hooked up. I'm not going to record that. I will record some, you know, any snow action that I get later. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on from yesterday's video about the current situation. So again, you know, that's what we got. All of that. I'm gonna show you the electric fence too for the chickens. Yeah, I lost a section there, and it's all coming down. So anyways, I'll have to get my gloves on me. It's cold out here. So anyways, I will see you guys, you know, if I'll see you guys when I get some video. All right, peace. All right, guys. So I forgot to grab the camera. I was not turning around to go home. I don't have anything to hold the phone, so I apologize. So there's not going to be as much content today as I had hoped, but I'll insert a picture of this one. I actually ended up getting the next door neighbor, so you'll see the two finished driveways in that picture. All right, well, I'll grab some before and after picture maybe of the next one too. All right, peace. All right, guys, that's a little quick sneak peek of this one. I'm gonna get it plowed out, and I'll show you the end of it. All right, guys, that's the end of that one. All right, guys. Again, I want to apologize for not having my camera today. So I didn't really get the content that I wanted to. I don't remember if I said it earlier, but the first one that I did, I got the neighbor. I actually do remember saying that now. So, you know, not everybody wanted their driveway done today, which is perfectly fine. You know, that's you know, that's their choice. But anyways, as you can see, it's getting a little dark out here, and and cold and windy. So I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my evening in the nice warm house. So with that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching. And as always, please hit that thumbs up button below, and leave us a comment. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.